Alright, hey folks, Brother Sam here in the studio once again. A little unboxing video. I was working in the garden, came out to the front, and this is already on the porch from Amazon Prime. I had ordered this little thing for the iPad Pro that still hasn't gotten here. It's supposed to get here Friday. I ordered it back on July 9th. I ordered this 2 days ago, and it's already here. And what is it? Let's find out. It is a briefcase for the iPad Pro. It's for the 12.9, which is what I ordered. And just get it out of here. This is like the worst unboxing video ever. But here it is. Let's take it out of that box. And basically a nice little hard shell case. It's not completely stiff, but it's got some rigidity to it. And let me get rid of the box. There we go. Oops, that was loud. And here we go. Let's open this sucker up. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. And it's got some compartments for keeping your various accessories, like your power cords and all that other stuff. And then here's the pocket for the sleeve where you put your iPad Pro. And so I am excited to have gotten this because I intend to travel with my iPad Pro that I'm going to be using for my artwork. The artwork that I've gotten in this little sketchbook here. So, and I've got some bunch of rough sketches in here for a coloring book